In this video, I will walk you through joining the IGEL community. It all starts with Slack. So the first thing we want to do is go to slack.igelcommunity.com. Go ahead and put in your email address to verify. And then it'll send you an email confirmation. So go ahead and open up your email and you should find the confirmation email. Open it, confirm your email address, and then put in your credentials: first name, display name, password. Click I agree. Now you're brought to Slack. First thing you see is the Slack bot, which will tell you a lot of neat stuff. Go ahead and refresh the page. You'll be brought to the full IGEL Slack community. And on the left, you'll see all the different channels we have. But let's head back over to our email. Open up the IGEL Welcome Kit email that you also received. In here is a bunch of neat information, but we'll open up the PDF and it'll teach you about the rules and regulations, give you descriptions for the different channels we have within Slack community, and then talk a bit about the benefits of the IGEL community itself. Go ahead and close that down. Open back up the Getting Started email. And let's get connected. So let's go ahead and download this actual Slack client. So click on that link, then click to download the appropriate version. Once it's downloaded, double click it to launch it, and then we'll go ahead and launch the Slack app. This is called IGEL Community. Click Continue. Put in your email address. Put in your password. Now the Slack app, local application, is configured to point to the IGEL community. Go ahead, look around, have some fun. But it doesn't stop there. You can also run it on your iPhone too.